Now over here we have an image of the Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub. Now this of course was the nightclub before this massive blaze that had occurred. This is the place, you can see it appears to be a very high end club. It is reported to be in the Arporia area of Goa. You can see over there as well, it is surrounded by water. Earlier when we were looking at locating this place on a map as well, we saw that it was surrounded by a water body, and over here you can see as well. Now this is a visual of course of the club before this blaze took place. This is the after. Now you can see how the place has been ravaged by the fire. You can see how the entire structure has in fact been destroyed, and you can see the water body over here as well surrounding the club. And this is the image that was taken. Now the fire is, you can see, still the massive blaze was still not brought under control, and already you can see the structure and the sort of damage, the widespread damage that it sustained due to this blast, and that also points to the intensity of the blaze, of the explosion as well. Now most likely this is reported to be a cylinder blast, and you can see the intensity of the flames that has caused all of this damage, the entire structure. If you once again see, this is the before and this is the after. This is just a small screenshot that is captured the kind of damage that was inflicted, but it in itself shows you the sort of damage that was caused, the sort of intensity of the fire. Over here we have videos as well, and you can see how big of a fire this was. The entire club has been engulfed by the flames, the entire structure. If you see once again, you can see how the entire structure, it was a very huge area as well, and the entire thing has been engulfed by flames. And once again you can see the surrounding water body that was around this area as well, and a major lapse that was being reported, that has led to the loss of so many lives, is the fact that there was no exit route, no proper exit route, especially keeping in mind such an incident, which is in fact a very basic fire safety norm that should be followed by all such places, especially places like this which experience such big crowds. However, there was no exit route, and that has led to so many people losing their lives, especially due to suffocation. And you can see the kind of blaze that it was, and of course it was visible from a good distance away as well. So that in itself shows you what kind of the scale of the tragedy, and not just the blaze but the suffocation as well has caused so many people to lose their lives. And if we just go in a little bit closer as well, you can see that the entire, not just the interior, but the flames, the intensity of the flames was so much that the exterior of the entire club was also damaged due to the blaze. Another video over here shows you how the fire engulfed the entire area. Now this also has been captured by from some distance away, and as per reports, the explosion was heard in some nightclubs and some restaurants that were close by to the area as well. So that was how loud the blast was, because it was most likely due to a cylinder blast, and the flames and the smoke was visible from some distance away as well. And you can see that in this video. If you see the massive blaze that has occurred, and all of these videos have been taken from some distance away, because as we noted before as well, this entire club was surrounded by some considerable water and a water body. So all of these videos have been taken from some distance, and you can still see how they've captured the massive fire that broke out in the Arporia area of Goa. This video also shows you just how much the intensity of this blaze was. So those of course are all of the videos and photos that are emerging out of this incident. This another video as well. You can see how the entire place has been engulfed by flames. Now fire services reached there on priority, but just the kind of scale of the fire shows you how the tragedy took on to what it became, and 25 people lost their lives, which included not just club employees but tourists as well. And this is the picture that has been taken. This is the after of the blaze, and you can see the entire structure has been damaged. The entire structure has been ravaged by this fire. So those of course are the details that we're tracking for you. All of these videos and photos that are emerging of the incident show you the scale of the tragedy as well. This is another video capturing the incident, and these are the videos that are emerging out of the Arpora area of Goa. This club that was called Birch by Romeo Lane, and 25 people have lost their lives due to the tragedy. So those of course are these are the scenes that we are showing you, because it is important to understand the scale of the tragedy. It is important to understand how such an incident could take place, how such a popular and high end spot in a place like Goa, which is a very tourist friendly place, how such an incident could take place, and why were fire safety norms not followed in a place like this. Why was such a huge fire reported, and how did it come to take place? Why were there no exit routes in place? How could so many people lose their lives due to suffocation in a place like this, which is seen as a tourist hotspot as well? So those of course are the details that we're tracking. But